Hello, you want to see how I achieve this fried rice? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Here is my chicken. I'll be adding in my meat spices, curry, nutmeg, powdered onion, seasoning cube, garlic powder, and ginger powder. I'll give it a good mix. And I'll cover and I'll transfer it to my gas cooker and I'll cook it for 15 minutes on a low heat. So this is it. I'll transfer it to my oven tray and I'll bake for 20 minutes to 20 Celsius. So yeah, I added my vegetable oil, my onion, rice, seasoning, salt, and curry powder. I'll give it a good mix. And I'll cover and simmer it on a low heat for 20 minutes. So yes, after 20 minutes, I added in the mixed stock. I gave it a good mix. And I'll cover and steam it again for another 20 minutes on a low heat. So here is it, cooked, not saggy. So I will set aside and I'll start frying my vegetable. Here I have in the yellow onion, spring onion, green pea, carrot, red bell pepper, and I added in the nutmeg, added in the salt, and I'll give it a good mix. So I'll mix it properly and I'll allow it to steam for 2 seconds. So yes, after 2 seconds, I'll set aside and I added in my pan, I added in the vegetable, I gave it a good mix and I steamed it for 3 seconds and I added in my rice and I'll give it a good mix. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, be a member of this family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Feel free to check other of my video ads that you might find helpful. Share this video so somebody can also benefit from it. So I gave it a good mix and I allow it to be there. I tasted for salt, it needed salt. I just sprinkled some salt and I will mix it again together properly and I'll allow it to steam on a low heat for another 3 minutes. So here is it, ready to be consumed, enjoyed. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.